Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and for those with questions about why we can't access the waterworks up here in Gordons Bay, thanks for asking. Here we have some answers, and maybe I can reveal to you what's been done along the roadway there that makes it at the moment that we can only have limited traffic up here. But as you can see, everything is still working. The staff are still coming up and down the mountain. I have even seen buses carrying staff up to their assignment up here. Looking down below, you can see the water stations down there, the pump houses. That goes down the Dani Malan hiking trail just off Suikerbossie Road. I'm flying now towards what I thought was a dump site. It looks like a rubble dump site for whatever they're doing up there. This is their place to hide what they are not using. I'm not sure what's happening there. You'll have to have a look closer in your own time. Yeah, it does look like builders' rubble. I know from experience that the roads around the dam and beyond the gate, front gate here, are absolutely marvelous. They're very well kept. Obviously, due to the lack of traffic since the 70s, there's really been no public access since early 80s, and continues to be a closed-off area to the public. This water treatment plant provides water for the greater Cape Town area. I'm really not sure what that blue plastic pipe conduit is about, going down to their pump station there. But I'm sure if I'm a tourist, I wouldn't want to see that. Flying along the roadway now, you can see where there have been washaways since September last year, when we had rather overwhelming floods that inundated the roads and did cause some serious damage along the way here. But you'll see they've done quite nicely in repairing and backing up with gabions, and generally doing a very good job. You can see, looking over there, that's the lookout spot just down below with excellent parking. Me, this reminds me of Chapman's Peak in the Cape Peninsula. Just when you're coming around that blind bend, and there's that Sentinel Rock on your left, just past the toll gate. One thing I know is that living alongside a mountain, you're always very aware of loose rocks that can fall down and tumble down the mountain. I am aware that right over there is seismic monitoring, so I have a large measure of confidence that the mountain is stable. If you've been following this channel, then you've seen down below. I took another view of that launched from down below, and you can see the gabions that they've built around there. It's been a very good job, and I'm sure, just like me, you're looking forward to being able to drive up that way and enjoy sundowners, just enjoying the view over Greater Cape Town. back to that plastic conduit pipe pump station. And if you take a closer look, you can see, unfortunately, not only has it been ruined by the rains and the water flooding, but also there's been considerable vandalism to the structure and surrounds there. That's all for now, but to keep you updated, stay tuned to this channel and I will give you as much information as I'm able to find. Keep on the lookout for Google Doogle, follow the channel. There you are. Thanks for watching.